Why use a pepper in secure password hashing? Have you ever wondered why some developers choose to use a pepper in their password hashing process? It might sound a bit technical, but it plays a significant role in keeping your data safe. Let's break it down. A pepper is an additional secret value that developers apply to all passwords before hashing them. Unlike a salt, which is a unique random value stored alongside each password in the database, a pepper is kept separate from the database. This means that even if an attacker gains access to the database, they cannot crack the passwords without knowing the pepper. This approach offers several advantages. First, it helps protect against database breaches. Since the pepper is stored in a secure location, like an environment variable or a dedicated secret management system, an attacker who steals the database still lacks this critical piece. This separation significantly reduces the risk of successful offline attacks. Next, using a pepper makes brute force attacks much more difficult. Attackers often relying on having access to both the hash and the salt values to test password guesses. Without the pepper, they cannot effectively perform these tests, as they miss the secret component that alters the input before hashing. This complexity makes it much more time-consuming for attackers to crack passwords. Additionally, a pepper complements the use of salts. While salts prevent attackers from using pre-computed hash tables, known as rainbow tables, peppers add another layer of security. They requiring a secret key to reproduce or verify the hash, further protecting stored passwords. For backend developers, there are practical steps to consider. Always store the pepper securely outside the database to avoid exposure during leaks. Implement peppering alongside strong hashing algorithms, such as bcrypt, argon2, or password-based key derivation function 2, to create a robust password storage system. It's also wise to plan for pepper rotation strategies. This means updating the secret periodically without invalidating existing password hashes or disrupting user authentication. If the pepper is compromised, all passwords hashed with it become vulnerable, so managing its protection is essential. In summary, using a pepper in secure password hashing adds an extra layer of security. It complicates attacks on stored password hashes and aligns with best practices in backend development for authentication. By combining peppers with salts and strong hash functions, developers can effectively protect user credentials.